Just look at these anemones, Peso.
They're so colourful. Each one looks like a flower or a monster.
Ah! Oh, it's not a monster. That's an elephant seal. A very large seal with a great big nose.
Like an elephant. Is he snoring?
Elephant seals sometimes do sleep in the water.
I think something's wrong with his skin.
He's molting, losing his old skin so a new layer can grow in. See?
Does that hurt him?
Not at all. Molting is perfectly normal for an elephant seal. It's the same as when you grow too big for your clothes and need new ones that fit better. But elephant seals are supposed to molt on the beach where it's warm. Molting in the cold water will make him ill.
Oh no, he's nowhere near a beach. Shellington, we have to help him. Captain, we have an elephant seal emergency. We need to bring him to the Octopod.
And he's really huge.
And loud.
We have to move him, but he'll never fit into the guppy.
Hold tight, we're on our way. Sound the Octo alert. Octonauts, to the launch bay. Tweak, we need to tow an elephant seal to the Octopod right away.
The Gupsy's ready to go, Cap, and I've added an extra strong tow line.
Good thinking. Kwazii, you're with me.
Yow!
Tweak, open the Octo hatch.
Right away, Cap.
Shiver me whiskers. He is huge.
Let's get him to safety. We've got him, Peso. Let's go. Through this door.
As he does it.
There you go. Perfect. Oh. Phew, he's okay.
But boy, does he snore.
Peso, how's your patient?
His temperature is perfect. As soon as he regrows his skin and hair, he'll be as good as new, Captain. He's awake.
Where am I?
You were molting in the water. We didn't want you to get poorly, so we brought you back to our ship, the Octopod.
Ooh, thanks for helping me. The name's Leon. Can't wait to get to the beach, see my friends and family and...
I don't think you're ready to move yet, Leon.
Where is your beach? We'd be happy to take you there.
Well, it's a beach. With lots of molting elephant seals like me on it and... oh boy, molting makes me really, really, really tired.
He needs to rest while he finishes growing his new skin, Captain.
In the meantime, we'll look for a beach with elephant seals on it. Activating Octoscope. No elephant seals on this beach.
We've been searching for Leon's beach for days.
We'll just have to try again tomorrow. Now, let's get some sleep.
Are you all right, Leon?
I feel great, and I'm looking good. Check out my nice new skin and fur.
You've finished all your molting. Congratulations.
Chest bump! Whoa, sorry, didn't mean to knock you over with that.
Oh, not to worry. I'm fine.
I'm just excited to get to the beach and play with all the other elephant seals.
Well, I'm afraid we haven't found your beach quite yet.
You haven't? But this is a special time when all of us wake up and play games. And I'm missing out on all the fun.
Don't worry. We'll find your beach. And while we're looking, we can have fun here on the Octopod too.
We can? Can we play some elephant seal games? You know, like we do on the beach?
I'd love to. I'll show you the games room in the morning.
Okay, let's start with one of my favorite games, wrestling.
Wrestling?
Yeah, elephant seals love to wrestle. Flipper to flipper.
Okay, flipper to flipper. Whoa.
Okay, we'll make it 2 flippers against 1. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Phew.
Sorry about that. Sometimes I forget how strong I am.
Oh, not to worry. I'm fine. But maybe we should try a different game.
How about a race?
You're on. To the hallway.
Okay, I'll give you a head start.
Thanks.
Ready, steady, go!
Not to worry. I'm fine. Leon!
Look out!
Oh! Kwazii, on the beach! Elephant seals!
And not a moment too soon, eh, Captain?
Are you okay?
I'm great! This is even more fun than the beach! Let's do it again!
Attention, Octonauts! We have found a beach full of elephant seals. To the launch bay!
Chest bump!
To the launch bay. Leon, aren't you coming?
Sure, I suppose.
Peso, into the gup. Open the octo hatch, Twig.
You got it, Cap.
Wait a second! I'm having so much fun here with you, I don't want to leave now.
Sorry, Leon, the Octopod's just not big enough for an elephant seal.
And the other elephant seals must miss you.
But I'll miss you guys.
How about if we race you to the beach?
A race? You're on!
He's fast!
Elephant seals are strong swimmers.
I win the race! Yeah!
Hey, Leon! You found us! We were so worried about you. Come on, let's play!
See? They really missed you.
Well, I never would have made it here if you hadn't rescued me. Chest bump?
How about a hug this time?
Oh, shucks.
Say, Looks good. Great. Now, can you tell me how many flippers I'm holding up? 2. That's right. You're a completely healthy fish. Next. Oh no. Let me take a look at that. Don't worry. My name's Peso. I'm an Octonaut and a medic. I help creatures who are hurt or sick. If you let me bandage that claw, it will feel better. Ah, good as new. These Arctic waters are cold. I'd better head back to the Octopod and warm up. Whoops! My medical bag. Oh no, I've got to find it. Aha! Just a clam. I know it's down here somewhere. A walrus. He's using his whiskers to find clams. Maybe he can help me find my medical bag. Oh, thank you. I've been...
Oh, hey. What a weird clam. Hey, the chief might like that.
Wait, come back. That's not a clam. It's my medical bag. Captain.
Go ahead, Peso.
Captain, my medical bag has been taken by a walrus.
Kwazii, sound the Octo alert. Octonauts, to the launch bay. Octonauts, can anyone think of why a walrus would take Peso's medical bag?
He must have thought it was a clam.
Yes, they do love to eat clams, Captain.
It had all my bandages and medicine. Without my medical bag, I can't help creatures feel better.
Don't worry, Peso. We're going to find that walrus.
We'll march right up to that whiskery lump and make him give back your medical bag. Yow!
Peso, Kwazii, to the Gup A. Open the octohatch, Tweak.
Right away, Cap.
Ahoy! One whiskery walrus right ahead.
We must be getting close to a walrus colony where they live.
Whoa! That's a lot of walruses.
If your bag's in there, we'll find it. Hello there. I believe there's been a misunderstanding. You see...
Hey, you guys aren't walruses.
You got that right. We're Octonauts.
This is our colony. Walruses only.
Easy now. We just want to...
All right, back off. Move on. Move on. That's it. Enjoy the dip.
So much for marching right up to them.
Got me when I wasn't ready. Avast, you scurvy walruses.
There's got to be another way for us to get into the walrus colony.
And then, splash! We all fell into the water.
Walruses don't like to share their home with other creatures.
Sounds like if you're not a walrus, you're not getting in.
But if we looked like a walrus and acted like a walrus...
Maybe we could sneak in.
And find my medical bag.
Tweak, we're going to need your help.
Sure thing, Cap.
Octonauts, Operation Octo Walrus begins now. Let's go.
Do you really think Tweak's costume will fool them?
If it'll get my medical bag back, it's worth a try.
Fair enough.
Come in, Shellington. This is Barnacles. We're sneaking into the walrus colony now.
Excellent. Now it's very important that you act like a walrus. Don't let them push you around.
Huh, must be a new guy.
Walruses say hello by blowing in each other's faces.
Blow back or they'll think you're being rude.
Oh,
That's all you've got?
we need to blow harder. Everybody. 1, 2, 3.
Now that's more like it. Nice to meet you. If you've got any extra clams, give them to the chief. He's hungry. We've all got to share our food until he feels better and can find his own.
Right. Thanks for the tip. It's working. We've made it inside the colony. One of Peso's stickers. We must be getting close. Keep your eyes peeled.
You're stepping on me tail.
Sorry, but it's hard when they keep smooshing up against us.
Typical walrus behavior. They love to get cozy and cuddle with one another.
Cozy isn't quite the word for it.
That's better.
Don't get too relaxed.
Hey, what's this? A new guy?
That's the one who took my medical bag.
Come in, Shellington. We've got an angry walrus heading right for us.
Jumping jellyfish, it's a walrus challenge. He wants to see who's bigger and tougher.
If we want him to tell us where the bag is, we'll have to challenge him back.
We could be bigger and tougher than he is. Hop on me shoulders, Captain.
Bigger! Are you okay, Peso?
I'm okay.
Okay. You're bigger than I thought.
Where is the medical bag?
Medical bag?
It's white, and it opens up, and inside...
Oh, you mean the funny white clam that I found? I gave it to the chief to try and cheer him up.
Which one is the chief?
The chief is probably the biggest walrus with the biggest tusks.
Aha! Bring him on!
Careful.
Kwazii, try to get back into position.
Huh? I can't get back in position while you're sitting on my...
Hey!
Intruders!
Whoa! Run!
Captain, come in. What's going on?
Have you located the chief yet?
Shellington, this really isn't a good time.
Take them to the chief.
At least we get to meet the chief.
Chief! Quiet! What are you doing in our colony? Speak.
Please, we didn't mean to bother you.
We're just looking for Peso's bag.
You mean that strange white clam?
That's it. My medical bag.
Your medical bag? I'm the chief walrus. It's mine.
We don't want any trouble, Chief, but that bag belongs to my friend Peso.
You think you can just waddle into my colony and tell me what to do?
Oh no, his flipper. Stop! You shouldn't be walking around on a hurt flipper. If it's not bandaged right now, it will only get worse and worse until...
Oh, my flipper really does hurt.
Can you tell me what happened?
Well, I twisted it the other day, and now I can't even swim.
That's why everybody's been bringing you clams to eat.
Do you think you can do anything for me?
One twisted flipper. I'll need my medical bag.
All right. Here.
There. Good as new.
Hey, thank you. It feels better already. I don't know what I would have done without you.
And I don't know what I would have done without my medical bag. Now remember, you take it easy on that flipper.
I will. And you come back to visit whenever you like. I hereby declare you all honorary walruses. Will you join us in the official walrus cheer?